2,115 square meters located in Barangay Poblacion, Bien Unido, Bohol. Walking distance to the beach and the Bien Unido Town Hall, or it is really at the center of Bien Unido Poblacion. So the property is interior lot, and it has just only a motorcycle way, so only motorcycle can traverse to the property. So that is the reason why the property has a price of 1,000 pesos per square meter, or just make an offer. So you can just have an offer to the property. Offer lang guys, baka ano pa. Sige, because according to the owner, you just make an offer. So the same as maybe, or when you have an offer to buy, so the owner will consider if she agree on that offer. But approximately she will, because she is going to sell their property. It's an urgent sale, so there is a mohon or monument post in the area. So again, the property is 2,115 square meters, walking distance to the beach, uh, to the seaport, and to the diving camp. Okay, sorry, diving camp. And this is the beach, no guys. Ato ram ning balik-balik. So this is the beach where it's nearer to the property, very close to the property. So very nice, no? 2,115 square meters at 1,000 pesos per square meter, negotiable. Then if you have property for sale, just let me know. We will help you sell your property. Then see, and this is the center of where the municipal town hall. So this is the municipal town hall of Bien Unido, Bohol. It has 15 barangay, 8 are islands and 7 are mainlands. So formerly, Bien Unido was part of Talibon, Bohol. It is part of Talibon, Bohol, now very close because of the new bridge coming soon.